why they put a football like instead of a rugby. Just go make a U-turn from here.
Thank you.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, you know why? I think it's because I keep stopping and starting the video.
You know how you already create the whole thing?
Yeah.
It's just kind of like pause, like you go back and carry on with what you left off. It was like that before, but I don't know why. What is that sound?
Hi. 5:27.
Oh, it's the boat? What is that sound?
Yeah, I was like, what's that sound too? I thought it was the back of the boot.
It's the boat, right?
Turn those music off. Oh yeah, nah, that's alright. Yeah, that's alright. I just wanted to hear if it was a
Be careful, babe. Oh my gosh, fire.
Oh, look at this car. Okay, going back. Now I'm gonna reverse into the water, okay?
No, because I don't want to. I'm scared of the water.
No, this guy's gonna get mad at me. Sorry, thank you. Thank you. Okay, back to the airport. I said 5:30, but hopefully down their way.
Are you on your phone? I mean, restricted. Oh.
G'day, this is on Hey Monday. We've got to open a personal ticket. Extra blind will give you for Christmas. Like personal trainer. Do you get the personal trainer? You don't have to pay your bill. Exactly. So we're talking about that.
Also, we have 2 tickets, camping included, for you to go to Redfern.
It's going to be a fantastic week. We'll see you Monday.
This is Colorado. I forgot what the name of the mother house that we used to live in. This one sounds. Yeah, you can slow down, mate. I'm just gonna speed up, you know. Oh, man. On the wrong side of the road. Oh, there's the plane. Oh, there's another one coming.
Plane?
Can you see it?
No. Oh, yeah. This is the turning lane.
Just gonna wait there for them to come, right? In case
Oh, is it?
get in there and they're not here.
Okay. Actually, that's it. I might have some live lollies.
Oh, we were meant to go to a dairy. I wants to buy in the airport where it's double the price.
Let's go there.
The dairy. Strathmore, that's what it's called. This is where the finger lives. Strathmore.
The who?
I'm laughing so hard, guys. No.
Oh. Mm. Just go to that's it.
What if they don't sell it, Mano? We can.
There's no dairy around here. Why?
Of course, there's a dairy around here. There's gotta be a dairy around.
You're just bloody wasting the gas we put in there.
Okay.
But I have to take it off this.